Hey guys, welcome back. It is part 6 to our road to 100k. Today is Friday the 24th at about 7:20, and now we are going to talk about the trades that I took since Wednesday. I will say that I only took one trade since that day, and I was planning on holding it for at least the rest of the week into next week. We're going to talk about it and go over it. We did hit stop loss sadly, but I'm still looking for the same type of move for next week. So let's hop right onto the charts and let's get right to it. We go over this AUD So as you guys can see, it was a head and shoulders fundamental trade. It broke below the neckline, but it had this resistance, which is a key level because it was consolidation before. So if it broke above it, then I was going to look for those buys. It actually made it all the way up to this lower high right here and then broke down. So I knew that if it took it over, then it was going to be a bullish segment. So I took that trade at that point, looking for that bullish move, and it didn't play out as we expected. So it came up only to about a quarter of the way up and then came right back down. Almost wicked this out the first time, came back up, and then wicked this out finally. So it's sad, but it's all right. We only lost $2 from it, and we're down to about $3. I'll throw everything on the screen. So next week we're definitely going to be more careful, but also pushing for those 1 day, 2 days, even week-long trades, just so that we're not staying in too much drawdown for too much time. All right. So that's for the AUD CAD. That's the only trade that I took since last video, and at that point we're going to now move on to my next week trades. My next week trades, I'm going to be looking for a retracement by gold. It has had this crazy bearish move that lasted almost 3 days. So I do believe there has to be a retracement into the previous Sunday open, or even targeting a high. Then I do believe this is possible. I have an entry model 1 forming at this point. I still need a couple more wicks. But if this can close above this right here, taking out this wick, then I will put in a buy, taking it to the upside. And this is because it is, first of all, giving me my entry model 1 on a key level. And 2, it also is coming back towards a consolidation period from previous week after it hit an all-time high. So if it does do anything, it might just keep consolidating. And at that point, we will hold off from taking a trade on gold until it breaks out of this tunnel right here. For NAS 30, it's the same thing. I also have the same entry model forming right here. Double wick confirmation, taking out this wick, and then going up. So if we could do that, then again, it would be the same thing. And this is, again, using a previous Sunday open and a value area low. Again, fixed range. And then let me see, I'm pretty sure it goes like this. Yep, so as you guys can see right here, this is the value area low, and the Sunday opens right here, so you could probably put these two together, whichever preference that you have. As you can see, consolidation, break, and it just beat right through this level, but that also had a resistance right here. So these are very key levels that I do believe there has to be a push and back from it. So this value area low has had a lot of rejection, so there has to be a pull up before continuing to go down. It needs the momentum, it needs the volatility. So those are my trades for next week. We will most definitely be back Sunday. I will probably make another video just showcasing and analyzing Sunday, possibly with another trade. And then at that point, we start our week. So stay blessed, enjoy your weekend, guys, and thank you for staying tuned.